Hi guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chilled Relaxed Plant Content, where we try to learn the best way to grow our plants so that they don't die. So if that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and let's be plant friends. So today I'm very excited. I got a package in the mail. It is cold outside, so I'm really hoping the plants came well, and I guess we'll find out together if they showed up alive or not. So yeah, I'll angle you down so you can see me unbox it, and yeah, I'll let you know more about the plants and where I got them from while I'm opening them. Alrighty. Alright guys, so this is the box it came in. I got these both from Botanicaz. I saw that they had a sale going on. So this is the invoice. This is what it looks like. I was told that if they felt like it was going to be too cold, they would add a heat pack free of charge. And I spoke to somebody through their Etsy shop, and it definitely was cold, so I'm hoping they did put a heat pack or something in here. Okay, so we got cardboard so far, peanuts. It looks like bubble wrap. Looks like I can just pull it out. There's some more packing peanuts and cardboard. I don't feel a heat pack. Okay, that's kind of scary. Maybe they did have one in there. Hold on. I feel something. Yes, they did have a heat pack. So that was good. The heat pack's cold, so I don't know how great that is, but it's what it is, right? So they were having a 70% off sale on their website, and so I picked up some of this. I picked up 2 plants. They're technically the same plant. One is variegated, one is not variegated. The packaging feels cold. Oh, man. Okay, they labeled it, so I'm going to try to... Oh, how do I open this? It is packed very well. Yeah. Okay, so we have the paper. We have some floof. I see more wrappings. More like a shrink wrap. Okay. And we have the shrink wrap. I see some sticks. It is packaged very nicely. Okay. Oh no. This is cold damage. I don't think I can get that back. Damn it. I think what happened, where they kind of like screwed up, is it feels like it looks like they watered the plant before shipping it out, and it's kind of not a smart thing to do when temperatures are going to be really cold. That really sucks. This really sucks. Yeah. Damn. I don't think any of this is gonna be viable. All of this stuff is definitely dead. It's still so cold, like, son of So upsetting. Well, I guess I'll just send them this video, show them, hey, plants didn't make it. So there's that one. This is the Epiprenum pinnatum green form, like the Cebu blue, just a green form. And then I got the variegated one, but that one also feels really cold. No, I'm gonna say they definitely tried. There's enough like wrapping on here and stuff, but yeah, just yeah. As you can see, they just flop right over. It's cold damage. I don't think either of those are viable. It really does suck. I will get in touch with them, let them know the plants did not make it. I'm sure they'll like either refund me or maybe, I don't know, if I want to try ordering these plants from them again. Just because I'm not sure they're going to make it. Now it's, you know, consistently cold up here. So, yeah, everything's floppy. I will show you, I guess, some, do you want some up close views? I don't know. So I got this guy. He's not with it anymore. And then we have this guy. So, yeah. Alrighty. Well, this has been a crappy little video, but hopefully I can hear back from them and we can make this a better video. Guys, I'm back. So, I'm tired. We're gonna just do this with a hand. We're not getting the tripod or anything like that. But I did contact Botanicaz. I sent them photos of how the plants arrived. They agreed that they had experienced some cold damage, and they agreed to send me like replacement plants. So that's what I got going on here, and we're gonna open them up and hope that they look good. So yes. Alright guys, so this is how the box came. Looks good. It's not dented or anything like that. And we're just gonna cut this open. One-handed is not easy. Alright, so we got the heat pack. It doesn't feel cold, so this is good news. It's like the remnants of warm, so that's good. We have high hopes. With the box like this, everything is taped down. Ooh, they also wrapped it in, okay, they wrapped it in like this, I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's another form of protection against the cold. Like, I want to say tinfoil, but it's not tinfoil. Oh, it's like really taped down. Alright, I'm gonna pause, pull it out, and then we'll open it. Alright, we're back. So it was wrapped in this type of bubble wrap. I don't know what it's called. Silver bubble wrap, that's what we'll call it. Wrapped in more bubble wrap. I just cut that open. Then wrapped in paper, and it looks like cellophane again. Alright, let's see if I could do this one-handed. Probably not. Alright, we're gonna pause again. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, so it was wrapped in paper, wrapped in cellophane, wrapped in floof. And can you see it? Oh, it looks good. Oh, we got sticks in here. Okay. Pull the floof off. Yes. So this is the variegated Epiprenum, like the Cebu Blue, variegated. And look at her. She looks good. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy they arrived good and alive. Alright, so I will unwrap the other one and show you them side by side. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so these are the plants. This guy does have a little bit of damage on the leaves. Stop shaking. Stop shaking. Yeah, you see the edges are brown. Maybe that is from cold damage. It does get very cold up here. Yeah, but we do have new growth, so that's exciting. I think the plant will be okay. At closer inspection, this guy's also a little like yellowy, but oh, sorry, I'm tired guys, but again, we do have new growth here, so I think we'll be okay. I hope these guys could focus. There we go. Yeah, so I think these plants will do fine. I'm excited to watch them acclimate and become part of my plant collection. So yeah, I'll give you a little up close and personal to the plants. So this is the green form of the Epiprenum pinnatum, the green Cebu Blue. Ignore the browning leaves. Just focus in on the pretty new growth. How cute. And then we have the variegated Epiprenum. Epiprenum pinnatum. Ignore the little yellowing leaf. And just focus on this new growth that's going to come in. Yeah, so also the stems don't feel mushy. That's like a big, you know, telltale sign if a plant's going to make it or not is how the stems feel. They feel good. So I feel good about these guys living and surviving and becoming part of my plant collection. So now I got like the trio of the Epiprenum pinnatums. I got the Cebu Blue, the green, and the variegated. All right. All right, guys. Until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.